Once you purchase the course, within 24 hours your login ID and password will be created. And let me just log in to one of the dummy IDs. Once your account is active and you log in, and this is the page which will appear. Since it's an admin ID, I am able to see all the course. The WooCommerce course is yet to be released. It will be released soon. Once you click on the WordPress, the course that you have purchased, you will be able to see all the video lectures which are there. At any point in time, if you have any doubts or questions, or you are unable to access the lectures, you can always drop an email at help@academy365.net, and we will make sure the issue is resolved within 24 hours. The lecture will come here. Like that, there are all the modules which are there, and it's around 4 hours course, but with the updates coming in every 30 days, the length would keep increasing. Once you are done watching all the videos, you can take a small test which is there. It's a small MCQ test. This test will have questions from the videos which you have already seen. So you can retake the test if you have failed. The passing percentage is 50%. So once you score 50%, you will be able to generate the certificate. Once your certificate is generated, you can click on certificates and you can view your certificates. Please note, all the certification can be verified by dropping an email on help@academy365.net. For any questions or doubts, you can feel free to drop us an email on the ID help@academy365.net, and we'll be more than glad to help you.